Hey guys, this is Kashish Nana Arya working as an intern at Pixel Apps. So today I am going to talk to you about what is the most effective strategy to monetize your app. So first of all, allow us to comprehend with what is app monetization. So app monetization is the process of converting your app users into revenue. This process involves multiple strategies. Within the app economy, it is challenging to remain afloat. App monetization is crucial because it is become more common to search out that apps are free at the purpose of install. The app business model therefore must be adjusted to account for this. Monetization mostly harms the app user experience. This will be mitigated and reduced, but it is still there. So come to the main section of the video, that is strategies for app monetization. So following are the ways to monetize your app. First is email lists. Email strategy tied in along with your app may be a fantastic thanks to getting more engagement from your customers, which successively ends up in extra money. An email marketing campaign is straightforward thanks to confirming users actually see your content and have interaction with it. Second is advertising. Digital advertising through mobile apps has improved communication between the advertisers and the consumers dramatically. Advertisers realize the worth of mobile apps over those embedded in browsers or sent via SMS message. The ads are often full screen ads, notification ads, capture form, advanced overlay, and banner ads. Now, the third is sponsors and partnerships. A network of partners can seriously benefit your customers and your business alike. Once you have got yourself opened up to the concept of hosting and sharing the advertisements, definitely consider forming partnerships to strengthen your brand outreach. Next is creating strong code. If you develop your own code from the bottom up and it proves to achieve success, other brands may approach you and offer to reskin your app. By licensing your code to other developers, you will make money without disrupting your users' experiences. Next is in-app purchases. Most app downloads are unpaid, but that definitely doesn't mean the users never have the chance to spend any money within the app. In-app purchases facilitate making the maximum amount of money as possible as your own. It allows the customers to really interact directly together with your product. Next is SMS marketing. Through SMS marketing, you will be able to send notices for app updates, reminders, contests, and promotions straight to your users' text message inboxes. This marketing method is one among the more practical ways to strengthen your brand because it drives users back to your app. Now, the another one is free and premium versions. There is another method of generating revenue, that is creating a completely separate version of your app with features that add up to a more complete experience. Having a free or cheaper version allows users to urge a way of what your app can do for them. If they enjoy what your app offers and need a far better experience, they may be willing to obtain the premium version. Now come to the strong content strategies. One of the foremost certain ways to convert new or infrequent users into lifelong paying users is to regularly refresh your app's content. Many paying users will make one or two in-app purchases only and never return because they already use the app to its full potential. So updating your app on a daily basis always confirm there is something irresistible in this content, so you will keep your most consistent customers coming for more. So guys, before moving forward, let's have some fun. How do you monetize your app? Tell us in the comments down below. Another thing is multiple payment options for subscriptions services. Many users show the utility in spending that extra amount for the added value of access to the subscriptions part. Consider offering separate options and including one subscription package combining all the services together as a premium package. Your app could become way profitable as a result. Last one is data driven strategies. The best thanks to optimizing your app's ability to come up with revenue are through studying the analytics you collect from the behaviors of your user base and putting those insights to good use. This app monetizing strategies can allow you to expand your brand and make connections with the customers you would possibly never have reached before. It is also an honest source of revenue. So guys, that's all for now. Thank you for watching this video. If you are looking for a mobile app development company, check Pixeled Apps. The link is in the description.